In this video, I will show you how to generate reports for your student data. The first thing you'll do is log into the MasteryBook and choose Reports. Next, under Report, you'll want to make sure that the Custom tab is underlined. And under Report Content, you'll choose the widgets that you want to see in your report card. For this report card, I will choose class narrative, section header. I'll do late and missing. I'm going to add the summary bar, performance list. That'll be good for now. Next, I'm going to choose the classes that I would like to print and generate. I'll choose all my 6th grade classes. Next, you can choose the students. I'll just go ahead and select all. Under advanced options, I want to make sure that my end date is after the last day of the term. So I'll go ahead and just set it for the end of next week. Next, I want to make sure that my module order is correct. In order to change this, you simply click and drag where you want the modules. So you'll move those into the order that you prefer. Under custom standards, I'll make sure that it says school-wide. Before I generate, I'm going to want to save this template. This template will be able to be used in the future. So I can save this as Fall 2021 report card. Click OK. All right. I'll show you that next time I want to use it, if I pull down this template button, here's all of the different templates that I have to choose from. Next, I'm going to click Generate. Notice I see the wheel is spinning. Once it finishes spinning, it pulls up a file. I will open this and then go ahead and just check to make sure everything looks as you would like it to. I would go ahead and just check at least a couple students. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to us at Mastery Portfolio. Thanks so much.